Beautiful morning. I'm here bright and early. Andre's off this week. Ken My Construction sign behind me. It was Canada Day long weekend. May have had a couple more beers. Sun's coming through. We're gonna float 325 this morning. First things first, unlocking the gate.
So every day I spend my time drinking wine, feeling fine, waiting here to find the sign that I should take it slow. Off again, there he go to another dimension. My mind, body, soul in prison. My eye, probably going ballistic, but listen, I'm missing a couple of screws. They ain't never do drilling, Drew. You been zipping away at the truth. Double side of wisdom, a do, rolling, do, hitting switches, rolling dishes, blowing kisses to the bitches, holding business. What's the business?
That's how it's done, eh, Daniel? Were you watching how I did that? Didn't even break a sweat. We didn't catch it on camera, but every time he shifted in gear, it was just grinding. Yeah. You didn't get that on camera, right? Easy peasy when you're riding with Tay Squeezy. Is that a dad joke? Is that kind of a dad thing to say? It's okay, I'm a dad. Two-time dad. Champion, I should get a belt. Fuck yeah, we're gonna go get the 308 now, bring her to Corey, so he can start his job. Okay, 10-4. Bye. 315 now. It'd be nice if someone told me what the fuck was going on around here. This fucking place is fucked. Fuck this. Just kidding, I love my job. Look at how big this fucking bucket is, man. Bought this a while ago. It sounds like Corey's ripping in here because it sounds like someone's going 100. Oh, what do you know? Fucking Corey's here. Sound like a trailer is about to fall off the truck. He's been here 7 years, eh? 7 years? That's some fucking loyalty right there. And he's going on 8 maybe? 2 more years and he gets a Rolex. Or a gun, and he wants a gun. Like, way less expensive than a Rolex. I got 2 fucking flatbed, hammerhead, low bed, 54-inch tons. Let's fucking move, all right? You know what I mean, bud? No, I'm just kidding, guys. There's no rush.
Remember back in the day when things used to be awesome and I used to record everything and you guys knew what was going on a daily, and we don't do that anymore because it's Wooby's job to entertain you all, not mine. Well, I got 10% to entertain you. We got a lot of work to do at this site. 315, Mike's carving his way in, pulling some stumps. We're gonna get all the way through, bushwhack it. We're gonna build a bit of a road coming through here. Wow. Gonna mow this stuff down, stump out, picket. That is the edge of our septic bed that's going in. Other picket is the other edge. Holy shit! That wasn't on my tailboard. Other edge of the septic bed, so septic is in here. Brand new Elgin system going in. So I'll be here for a few days. The objective one is to get that 315 all the way back in here, which I'm sure Mike can do because he's quite capable. Anyway, that's your 2 minutes of entertainment from Corey before my GoPro battery dies, because when Wooby gives you a GoPro, he doesn't give you batteries. So, right, Demi? Right.
This is what a woman wants.
That went not bad, eh?
Yeah, that went not bad, bud. Just another day on the ground, eh, with the boys?
Back up to there. Off this edge. Okay?
Will do.
Will do.
Come out! You're like seriously just holding a camera while the boss is down there shoveling, bro?
That's what I was told to do.
Yeah, well, sometimes you gotta use your thinker. Goddamn kids these days. You can take this, give her one of those, point it straight at Taylor because that's where our money is. And now you can get him working. We put it on the YouTube, everybody thinks he works hard.
Yeah, like it that way. Any man of mine better walk the line. Better show me a teasing, squeezing, pleasing kind of time. I need a man who knows how the story goes.
What the fuck, bro? I come say good day. You guys are just fucking out of here.
Yeah,
Darren, I got you lunch.
that's where you're going right now.
Top there too. I do Darren in the front.
Okay. That's what you're saying is big burnouts.
I would do it, but I got a fucking videographer.
Yeah.
I told you. I don't even need that thing. It's a waste of fucking money because I am awesome. I am fucking awesome, Denby. Remember that shit.
I will.
That's why I'm 100 grand a year, 3 day a week kind of guy. You getting this movie? Make sure you get this. 'Cause these are my last moments. You can play this at my funeral. It's my fucking warm. I'm gonna go back to my skid steer.
You want Shania Twain tonight?
She's the finale.
Or Shania? You going just for her, or you watching the whole thing?
I might get there at like 7:30. Probably just be in the beer garden, to be honest.
The next day.
I phoned him, he didn't answer.
Didn't answer.
So he's,
He's fucking off.
I'm hoping that he didn't answer because he's actually with Shania right now. You know Mike, he's a bit of a...
Oh yeah.
But yeah. Shania have kids? Is Shania Twain a mom?
Not sure.
I just know Mike's style, he likes the mom.
Glad to be here. It's a beautiful morning here at Kenmont Construction. It's 4:23 a.m. and we're going to screen some topsoil before the rain and the heat comes. Connor's in 336. I'm going to get in the loader and make some dirt.
Your podcast makes sit down, shut your mouth from the cemetery till I'm coming right from the south. Bitch, your neighbor, the crib, bitch, I'm so underground. I'll be searching for the beast, no one know can be found. So I'm out with the gun, with the click, check, pound in your face and my teeth and your love from the stick smoke.
We are picking up filter media sand from Kavanaugh and we are headed to Algoma in Calibote. That's all you get.
Right now, we're doing a filter media bed. It's a 2-pod system. So this is the first one I've done. Usually we just do 1 bed, but there's 2 beds here. So your tank will be there. That'll go, then you'll have a layer of stone, a septic stone on it. Put your pipe in, you put some more septic stone down, and then bury it with septic sand. Straightforward-ish.
What is there a key in it? Tires are flat.
New airport rig.
10,000 hours. Fuck, you're still brand new.
I don't know how to start. Maybe just kick it and start.
Gold records on the key rock. Not bad for a boy from Mississippi. Yeah, I could buy a Maybach, but I'm still in my F-150. And my last name is a whole lot bigger than I thought it'd be. A lot of things changed, except one thing, me. I'm still the same old redneck fuck, don't give a damn. Ain't afraid to throw a dead buck on my Instagram. Grain alcohol in my cup, got the whole house wall to wall, and I still ain't sold out. Wall to wall, and I still ain't sold out.
That was way better. That's a company side-by-side. It didn't have enough balls, so we put a tuner in it, and it fucking rips now. It's 1,000 cc, it just didn't have enough power to get up and going, but it looks like it fucking rips now. Nice. Okay, so we just went through 2 weeks, and sorry for no video last week, but we've been trying to produce videos that have the best style and quality of content that is up to Ken White Construction par. Yeah, I just burped. Seriously, heavy trucking in this video. All 13 speeds of her, baby. I annihilated that gear shifter. We moved the topsoil. We did a septic. We were up in Calabogie all the way today. It was just all around a good time. I want to thank you guys for watching the video. Our new hats that I was wearing, they're available. So we finally have hats that are for sale on the website down below. Wanted to mention that to everybody. As thank you for tuning along and watching the video. Hopefully we see you next week. If not, we'll see you the week after. Whenever we have good enough content, stay all up to date with us. Follow us on Instagram, baby. We'll catch you on the next one. Oh.
I just met you, and this is crazy. Love is my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right.
What the fuck, you traitor?
But of course, I didn't forget if you guys are true patrons of the channel, watch the entire videos to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patrons, I want you guys to comment down below Shania. Why are you commenting down below Shania? Well, Shania Twain had a big part of this video. I know Mike loves her. So if you guys watch the entire video to the end, make sure to comment down below Shania. Appreciate you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care.